Welcome everybody. My name is Roxana. We are making fall wreath. We are working with some beautiful leaves. We also got this greenery. We got a little pumpkin, and we got some wiring and some scissors and wire cutters. We are just going to work our way up alongside like that. How gorgeous. And we got these beauties. We are just going to insert them around. You could use your glue gun and wiring to attach your items. Get this going right here. Kind of bend the wires. Look at how beautiful. That going here. There we go. We got that going. I think I'm gonna get this little piece that fell off and put it right there. And we got these little pumpkins. Let's just get the wire and insert it in there. There we go. Like I said, you could use your glue gun and wire them in, and got this going right here. Go put it right here. Get him in there. And I think we got it, everybody. And there it is. How easy and simple yet beautiful. Once again, I want to thank you guys for coming to my channel. I hope you got any inspiration or any ideas, or just enjoy my channel. Like and share, and let's get that smile on and have a great, wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Look at how beautiful it came out.